Hello, my name is Larry Giroux and I'm here with Sandy Reifler of American Allergy Supply, and we're testing filters on a lab system in my training room. And this is the Infinity Control, which we'll zero in on a little closer shortly. It's a communicating thermostat that communicates with the indoor air handler, a furnace or a fan coil. We're using a furnace here. And this Infinity system improves the comfort in people's homes tremendously. Gives much better dehumidification control, which is what people are looking for. Along with it, results in a very high efficiency, low operating cost system. And some of the features include here a backlit liquid crystal display. Makes it easier to read the temperatures even at night. Sometimes a little bit older people like the larger digits on it so they can see much better. It's an intuitive, it prompts you to let you program everything from humidity levels to fan speeds for fan continuous, etc. Gives you the ultimate control over your home comfort. There's many other features which you can read about yourself if you're interested. Okay.
Let me zoom in.
Yeah, zoom in on the control.
Here, I'll just move
Bring it over a little bit. This is the what you're used to calling the thermostat. We call the Infinity user interface, or Infinity Control. It has a door at the bottom that drops down, and a few buttons here at the bottom where we can set a program schedule, 7-day programming. If you'd like to use the 7-day programming, you can, or you can disable that and make it a more simple thermostat. There's a scroll up and down, a vacation button, so you have different settings when you go away on vacation. A basic button that allows you to set the day of the week and the time of day, and then you just forget it after that. Then there's an advanced button where you press that advanced button once, it puts you into an area where you can set up reminders. Usually this is done by the installing dealer. Sets up the reminders for when it's will be time for routine maintenance. Then on the next screen, number 2, is the backlighting, which the backlighting is already turned on. It makes it a little easier for people to see. Then the next screen that we might use is if we were up north where they had a humidifier where they're adding moisture to the air. You'd have a humidifier, and it operates, you tell it you have a humidifier, and it'll tell you when to change the humidifier pad if necessary. And then the next one, screen number 4, is very interesting. It allows the homeowner to adjust the desired relative humidity setting in the space. Together with the proper air handler, furnace or fan coil, it'll adjust the fan speeds so that you wring the most moisture possible out of the oil and out of the air, and make you much more comfortable. So we can raise and lower. Here I am moving it to the left down as low as 46%, and then pushing the plus button here, I can go as high as 58%. Recommend around 52 or 54% for most homes. People are very comfortable in that area, and it'll maintain that relative humidity in most homes very well. The next screen is the vacation, where if you were going away on vacation, what temperatures and humidities you want to control to while you're away to save on your operating costs. And then it's back to the first screen again. So that's pretty much it as far as the Infinity Control, as far as the homeowner goes. However, there is another feature for service technicians. Service technicians will be able to look at this by holding this button in, go inside. After holding this button for about 10 seconds, if there's any problems with the indoor or outdoor equipment, it'll tell him in here. There's various screens that we can go to, one of which is the service screen. And at the service screen, there's one of the first spots is furnace status, where we can press the select button on the side, and we can look at information like the airflow, how many CFM of air is being moved at the moment. Okay, that's useful information to an air conditioning service technician. Now if I press back on the left, we can go down and look at AC status or last 10 system events. If there had been a problem, if there was an existing problem, the technician can go to here, press the select on the right, and he can see all the previous problems that have occurred. And if it says the word active, which it doesn't over here on the right, if it said the word active, then it would be active at the time. It would be a current problem. That's not here. We've been experimenting and putting in different problems just so we'd have some in here to show you the list. So it's very useful to get into that area for the technician. Another thing that the technician can do is enter the service phone number. I'm moving down to on initial installation of this system, the dealer can put his company name and company phone number, so if there's any malfunctions, it'll pop up on the screen with there's a system malfunction and please call your dealer, and have your dealer name and phone number right there. It makes it easier for the customer to get the problem resolved quicker. And then I can press the advanced button, get back to the normal screen. Okay. Thank you for your time and attention. That's all, folks.
That's going to be...
That's all right. They all know I'm a goofy fucker.
The Magna Helix.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute now. You got to edit out that.
That's okay. No, I don't know if I can.
Oh, you know you can.
Yeah, I know I can. Anyway, thanks. I think I... Oh, I didn't...
You can edit out a lot of that.